Hi everyone. So in this video, we are going to see about the Paddy Plantation Machine. So let us detailedly discuss about this special vehicle in detail in upcoming slides. So these are the contents that we are going to discuss in this PPT. The introduction part for paddy harvester and the need for the introduction part of a paddy plantation machine and the need for the paddy plantation machine, the components, the construction working, advantages, applications and manufacturing companies of this paddy plantation machine. So this paddy plantation machine, it's a big replacement for a traditional paddy plantation technique. So instead of employing with the manpower, a special vehicle that has been used in order to overcome the existing method. So it is the specialized transplanter which is fitted to the plant rice seeding onto the paddy fields. So here mainly there will be two types of the rice transplanters. The first is the riding type, which we can see in the screen, and the other one is the walking type, like in the use of the power tillers. So the first rice transplanter, it was developed in Japan in the late 1960s, and after that, in Japan, the development and spread of the rice planters progressed rapidly in the years of the 1970s to the 1980s. So this rice transplanters drastically reduces the usage of the manpower. So the need for the paddy plantation machine, as I said earlier, the paddy plantation normally in earlier days it needs more manpower, and the increasing of the manpower normally increases the operating cost of the particular process, and also the manual process. We know it always takes more time when we compare to other things. The manual process take more time, and in order to overcome this, the all issues like the manpower, the operating cost, and the processing time, this paddy plantation machine can be used in order to overcome these disadvantages. So these are the basic components of paddy plantation machine. So first is the seedling tray, and the plural pickup fork, and the seedling tray shifter. So a seedling tray, it is present in the rear of the vehicle. You can see over here. It is present over here, the seedling box, where that particular paddy in saplings, which is in the form of a square in the seedling tray, it is placed over there for plantation purpose. Then one of the most important component in this vehicle, it is nothing but the plural pickup fork. So it is the key hard component of this vehicle. So it just picks the paddy sapling from that tray, and it just plant in the rice bed of the field. Okay, so with the help of plural pickup fork, we can easily pick the sapling and plant in the agricultural land. And the seedling tray shifter is placed over the rear, where it automatically sends the seedling tray down after each plantation of this particular paddy. So coming back to the construction part, this rice transporter, the main component, it consists of the prime mover. It is nothing but engine, and the transmission system. Then the luggage wheels. Here the normal conventional vehicle wheel is not used. Instead, the luggage wheels used, and the seedling tray shifter, which I have seen, pickup fork, and also the pickup fork cleaner is provided in order to make the maintenance easier. So here the planting depth and the hill to hill spacing, it can be adjusted by the manual option. So how much depth that we need to plant the vehicle, so that kind of things that we can be adjust. Then in some vehicles, automatic depth control also help in maintaining the uniform planting depth in the uneven surfaces. And this particular vehicle has a safety clutch mechanism which prevents the vehicle from the breakdown, which prevents the rider during the breakdown of the vehicles. And the working principle of this vehicle is very simple. So for operation, this vehicle, the working is very simple. The seedling tray, which is in the form that sapling, which is made in the form of seedling tray, is placed over that particular area, and when the vehicle moves, The engine is power is split into two. One is for moving the vehicle, and another is for moving the plural pickup fork. So this plural pickup fork, when the vehicle is moving, it keeps on rotating, and it just pluck the paddy sapling, and then it start planting in the field. So that's a simple working of this particular paddy plantation machine. So the advantage is that first is it is easy to harvest, easy to plant, and reduces the harvesting time or the plantation time, and reduces the manpower. So the disadvantages, it requires proper maintenance since it is employed mostly in the dirty areas. So proper maintenance need to be maintained, and also it is high cost. So the one and only application it is in the planting paddy field for planting the paddy saplings. So these are some manufacturing companies. So that's all about this video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.